If this is your first convening, could you just raise your hand one more time? If this is your first convening. Okay, great. So we have a culture at these Mojaloop convenings that you may not be fully aware of. And I will be sharing some information so that you don't find yourself out of place. Yesterday was the day to wear suits and ties. Today is the day you can wear a suit, but without the tie. Tomorrow, you probably don't want to wear a suit. You can wear sneakers and a t-shirt. And on Friday, Miller will wear his Hawaiian shirts. So you can follow his line. Just make sure that you're comfortable and that you can enjoy the convening. So we had an excellent first day yesterday. I saw lots of you make posts on LinkedIn. That is absolutely great. Thank you for sharing your experiences online with the world. We'll be happy to reshare them as we go along. Now, day 2 usually splits between two things. Day 2, we start to get into the weeds a little bit of how Mojaloop works in reality. A question that we often get is, who has deployed Mojaloop? What has been their experience? Can they show us? And so there's this culture of show and tell. And that's what we will do this morning. We will hear from R-Switch. R-Switch has been leading the implementation of the Rwanda National Digital Payment Strategy, RNDPS. They are here and they will kick us off this morning. Amable from the team at R-Switch is here. Amable, if you want to come up on stage with your team. And then secondly, we'll also hear from Comesa, the only person who is allowed to wear suits, ties, and pocket squares all day long, Mr. Dr. Jonathan Pinifolo. He's the only person we excuse because that's just who he is. And Dr. Warren will give us an update on their experience of deploying Mojaloop within the Comesa program. And then we'll also hear from participants. We had an accelerator program with Kenya, so you'll get to hear from the good folks at KPMG what their experience is becoming Mojaloop fluent. And we'll hear from Higala, which is based in the Philippines. Julie will have a conversation with Francis Plaza, who's here. Had a chance to chat with him this morning about their experience with their deployments in Mojaloop. So this morning, what you're expecting to hear is people who are in the trenches doing the work and what that looks like. Many of you here seated today are probably wondering, what does this look like? This is the sessions that you need to be paying attention to. So without further ado, I will invite Amable and the R-Switch team to kick us off.